How to use SD card as internal storage on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily use your SD card or external card as your internal storage. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. First thing first, open up your phone settings and then simply scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see developers option. But if you don't see it, then you're gonna tap on about phone first, and from here you're just gonna tap on software information, and finally you are gonna tap on this build number continuously. As it says, no need, I'm already in a developer mode, or my developer mode is already enabled. But if it's not for you, you're just gonna have to tap it continuously. Now just go back to your main settings, and then your developers mode will be enabled. So simply tap on it, and once your developers mode is enabled, you'll have to scroll down quite a bit until you see your standby apps, and right below that you'll find this force allow apps on external. So whenever you download any app, it makes any app eligible to be written to the external storage regardless of the manifest values. So you'll just have to turn it on and you're good to go. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.